warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. I hope my friends are in good health. Introduce, my name is Herni Nur Ayani. We need to know when we cough and sneezing, there are equality many thousand and millions of germs that we sprinkle. Therefore it is important for us to apply the ethics of cough and sneezing that are good and right, so that we do not transmit the disease to people around us. As for the ethics of coughing and sneezing in throat,
seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how to sleep at night. When the cell comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Go
here are some good and true cough and sneezing ethics. Maybe as full that is all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.